Customer says car refuses to turn like steering wheel is on strike. Site veteran ute carries more mud than a construction site disco. Perfect fossil imprint modern art achieved. Rear end plays mystery drum solo at no extra charge. Found why it still rolls, customer asks can you push engine? Back into place, please sir, let me use my telekinesis. I guess we can still into coffee shop. AC offers hot breath, zero wind policy continues. Another squirrel has checked into winter resort inside filter. Undercarriage provides free bird call soundtrack, nature included. Aw mystery solo located somewhere around loose metal origami. Car refuses to start, morning protest engage. Stand back, science about to happen. Customer reports AC is basically decorative fan. Drive-in inspection reveals plot twists. Turns out customer never flipped the IC switch to on genius mode. This tiny IC switch holds entire winter in its hands. I press the magic button, Arctic blast arrives instantly, sorcery confirmed. Car now shivers like it's doing Zumba. After swimming in puddle, customer used starter motor as outboard engine to reach shop. Customer says brake lights double as forward headlights bonus feature. Release. Reapply. Tech finds brake bulb burnt to charcoal. Replace bulb, problem solved, cheapest fix ever.